Thinking about installing automatic gates in Sydney? Before you commit, there are a few important things every homeowner should know, especially about costs, styles and safety. In this video, we'll break down the main types of automatic gates, why aluminium is ideal for coastal areas, key safety requirements and what you can realistically expect to pay in Sydney. First, let's look at the two main types of automatic gates. Double swinging gates open like traditional hinged gates. They're perfect for wider, level driveways and give a more classic look. But they do need enough space to swing freely. Sliding gates, on the other hand, move sideways along a track system. These are ideal for narrow driveways, sloped blocks or homes with limited space. Across Sydney, sliding gates are often the go-to choice for modern homes and tighter properties. Sydney's coastal climate can be tough on outdoor materials. Salt air and strong sun quickly wear down untreated steel and timber. That's why aluminium automatic gates are so popular. They don't rust, they're lightweight which reduces strain on the motor, and with quality powder coating, they hold up extremely well in coastal suburbs. Safety is a critical part of any automatic gate system. Modern installations in Sydney typically include photoelectric safety beams, auto-reverse functions and manual release in case of power failure. For strata properties and high-use driveways, proper setup and professional installation are especially important to keep the system compliant and safe. So, what do automatic gates typically cost in Sydney? A basic aluminium double swinging gate usually starts around $5,000 to $6,500 installed. Sliding automatic gates generally range from $6,000 to $10,000 or more. Custom high-end systems can exceed $18,000, depending on size, site conditions and access control features. From quote approval to installation, most residential automatic gate projects in Sydney take between 2 to 5 weeks, depending on the level of customization and site complexity. Planning automatic gates for your Sydney property? Speak with Aluminium Fencing Sydney to get expert advice tailored to your home. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more home improvement guides.